Welcome back. Struggling to type comfortably on your phone due to small keyboard keys? Let's adjust that. So first of all, open the settings app from your phone. Now scroll and search for keyboard, or if you cannot find, then find the general settings or something related to that. So just tap on this like general setting or general management keyboard settings. This is my Galaxy phone, so it's showing Galaxy keyboard. Now scroll down and look for size or resize or similar to that. Here it is. Now tap on this. Now you can just tap and hold and then scroll it, and you can resize this. Then just tap on this done. And that's it. This is how you can easily resize or enlarge your keyboard and type comfortably. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.